Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening your phone settings so we can grant permissions. This is faster than guessing inside the app. Once in settings, find apps or applications, then tap Instagram. You need to see the permissions or location entry. If you don't see it, make sure Instagram is installed and you're logged in. This step ensures you modify system-level controls, which is why we begin here rather than inside Instagram alone. Now tap Location to proceed. You're now choosing how Instagram accesses location. Tap Location, then select the permission level. While using App gives access only when Instagram is active. Allow all time lets background features use location. Pick based on privacy needs. If the location switch is off, toggle it on, and confirm any system prompts. Make sure system-level location services are enabled in your device's main location settings. Instagram can't use You finish by using Instagram to attach a location so settings take effect. Open Instagram, start a story or post, tap Add Location or the location sticker, and select a place. If locations don't appear, force close Instagram and reopen, because the app sometimes needs a restart to register new permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, revoke and re-grant location permission in device settings, then reboot your phone. This resets permission tokens and usually resolves residual issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.